back, it's Kaylee at Just a Mum Winging It. Thanks for joining me today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you did. And if you're already a subscriber, then welcome back and thank you for joining me today. Okay guys, right, let me just get rid of this scratch. So I am going to today, I want to declutter my unit here. So I went to B&M last night and I picked up 6 of these little baskets. They come in packs of 2. You get 2 for £1.50, I think it was. Yeah, 2 for £1.50. So I didn't think that was a bad price, and they're small enough to fit inside my little drawers here. So these are like our clutter drawers, and we have one for like tools and batteries, and then I have a drawer for my camera accessories. But stuff just gets chucked in all the time and it's always a mess. So I thought, why not have a little declutter and a reorganize? What I'm hoping to do this week is I'm going to start small, because if I try and tackle it all in one day, I end up getting lost under it all and losing motivation, feeling overwhelmed, because I've just took on too much in one day. So I'm going to start today just with this unit. By the way, please excuse the fake tan hands. Yes, I know they're bad. I do that many facials that my fake tan wears off my hands so quick. So last night I had not a very clever idea, but I thought, oh, why not rub some gradual tanner into my hands like moisturizer so it blends back in. Yeah, that's what we're ended up with. So sorry guys, it is what it is. You're just gonna have to excuse them. So anyway, as I was saying, I'm going to start off with this unit today, and I just want to get this one done and organised and sorted, and then we can move on into the next room, which will be the living room drawers and then the coffee table. So we're going to start in here today. So grab yourselves a drink guys. I've got my baskets, I've got my drink, keeping hydrated, and let's crack on with the decluttering and organising. So let's jump on into the video guys. Okay guys, so got a rubbish bag, some scissors and my little boxes. So I'm going to put my boxes down here, grab my scissors. I'm going to start off with this bottom drawer, which is, I keep all my camera accessories in here. So let me scooch you over a little bit. Okay, so this is my Osmo stuff in here, memory cards, chargers, so I'm going to pop, let's get a couple of these. Guys, they're pink as well, so they're dead cute.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No, come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?
guys, so in this drawer, it's normally just a bit of, like I say, these are junk drawers, so there's a mixture of everything in here. So I'm going to put the little baskets in, and I keep my dog hairbrushes in this drawer. I'll get that fluff out of that brush. So I like to keep the dog grooming bits in here. Let me jot this down a little bit. So I'm going to pop their brushes in here. So, Furminator, that's really good. And I've also got one of these Easy Grooms, which is really, really good as well, especially on Chester with his short hair. So I'm going to keep those in this drawer. Just bring you over here a little bit so you can see. So I'm going to keep those in this box here. And in this box I have a pack of playing cards, which we got from Vegas. And I also have this, which I bought for my mum from Vegas. I need to give it to her, so I'm going to pop that up there for when I see her next. And what else can go in there? My old pair of glasses that I keep for emergencies, they can go in there just in case, because you never know. I have a card reader. What else? Perfume, what's in there? Oh, an empty perfume bottle. I'm going to pop that away in my bedroom upstairs, so that can go up there. A couple of packs of tissues. In fact, they can go in a different cupboard. Maisie, after the catnip, I've got catnip here, which I'm going to keep in there with the dog hair brushes, just because it's an animal product. I've got this little manicure kit, which I take away on holidays and things with me. But I keep that in here for emergencies, because you never know. I'm going to put my glasses at the back, actually, because they're a little bit chunkier. So I'm going to keep those on there. And then my spare phone case, I'm going to pop that at the back as well. I just need to fix my pop socket. And then I've just got some tea light candles, which can go in there as well. I'm not popping the pencils or the marker pen back in. And this little light box, I'm waiting to find the adapters. Oh, look what I just found up here. A lens cap, so I'm going to pop that in there with that. So that's those ones done. So in this one, not today. Oh, we have a key, which I'm not sure what that's off either. So I'll pop that in there for now, just because it's nice and safe. So let me pop those up there, because these are all going to go in different homes. Do you know what, guys? They're not as bad as what I was expecting. Right, okay, guys. So this is the junk drawer. This is the one that is full of everything that is just, should be in the garage, really. So I'm going to start by opening these up.
There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, 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 fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red. Paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No, come on, baby, let me tell you one time that
Right, so in here, Unibond glue. I'm going to take all this out of here and condense into there. So we've got suction cups.
Moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
So all this, Mark needs to sort out and put away in the garage, like this, these hooks, these are his tools, all these things he needs to put away because these are all his. So keep a tape measure in here just in case, so that can go in there with the little bits and bobs. That one's all batteries, so that needs filling up, and these are just like suction hooks, normal little clips. You never know when you might need these sort of things, so they always come in handy for something. And also I'm going to put these, because if you're ever changing your screen protector on your phone or your watch, these come in really, really handy. So I'm going to hang on to those as well, which I'm going to pop in there. So that's those. So pop those down there, and his, in fact, where can these go? Where are these going to fit? They can go there like that. Okay. These always come in handy too, so I'm going to just pop them in on top of there now. Right, and this top drawer. So these are all the kids' Beavers and Cubs badges, along with all of these. Oh, and there's some more, look. So they all want popping away properly. Another tape measure, so I'm going to swap over, because I'm going to put the smaller one in here and the bigger one can go for him to put away. They're the dog's little bow ties for the collars. Air freshener. Right, okay guys, so top drawer organised, wiped out and done, just little bits and bobs in there. I've got a basket for this and all the little pieces, so that's that done, that's that drawer tidy. This is our thingy drawer, what's it called, like batteries and fixing stuff kind of drawer, you know, things that you might need on an everyday. Then this drawer, a few candles, dog grooming bits, catnip for the cats, just my spare glasses and my spare phone case, which I really like. I just need to order a new pop socket for it. And then this bottom drawer is all my camera accessories. So I've got my tablet down at the back. That's for my large, that's for my Sony, some spare memory cards and a cable in there. That's my selfie stick, and everything in there is my Osmo accessories. And then in this drawer I just have some books, and it's where I keep the TV remotes, a spare Louis handbag, which has actually got some bits in there, but I'm not going to sort that one out today. I am going to pop all these bits away. This is just a bag of rubbish. Let's pop that in there. So that's the rubbish that's come out, so not too much, just bits and bobs. That here is all for Mark to put away. That all needs organising and putting in the garage. And then these just need, like I say, these are all the kids' Beavers badges, and these just all need filing away in a folder in their Beavers drawer. So guys, that's it. Just really nice and quick. Organise and declutter with me. I'm going to do like a little mini part series, so we'll get this one on, and then tomorrow night, if I get a spare hour, I'm going to tackle the drawers in the living room and get those ones tidy. So look out for part 2. If you enjoy these type of declutters, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. We would love to have you joining the family. And thank you for watching, guys. I know it was just a quick little easy one. Like I said, for me, sometimes taking on too much and trying to do it all in one day I find overwhelming. So start little by little for me works best. So these drawers were the easiest way for me to start. So guys, thank you ever so much for watching. Like I said, if you're new here, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below if there's anything else you'd like to see. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for joining me, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.